Hey AI enthusiasts, Pacey here from Pacey AI. Today we're diving into an absolute game changer, Notion AI, your new secret weapon for next level productivity. If you're tired of juggling notes, tasks, and chaos, this tool turns Notion into an AI powered command center. Before we geek out, smash that like button, share this with your workflow warriors, and subscribe plus hit the bell so you never miss our daily AI deep dives. So, what makes Notion AI special? It's like injecting rocket fuel into your familiar Notion workspace. This add-on, 8 to user month, uses AI to high generate content, summarize documents, and auto-prioritize tasks. Imagine drafting meeting notes in seconds, condensing 50-page reports into bullet points, or getting smart suggestions to crush your project backlog, all inside your favorite workspace. Team Collab, it's a dream with shared AI-driven templates and real-time brainstorming. Let's get hands-on. First, enable Notion AI in your workspace settings. Try Ask AI. On any page, highlight text and command it to summarize, expand, or actionize. For Project Magic, type by AI to generate task lists or meeting agendas instantly. Pro tip, use its priority engine were to tag urgent tasks, just describe your goals, launch Q3 campaign, and watch it map out steps. Remote teams, this automates your stand-ups and docs like a boss. Why will you love this? Creative squads get AI co-pilots for content drafts, dev teams automate sprint tracking, solopreneurs turn rambling ideas into structured docs in one click. Unlike rigid tools, Notion AI adapts to you. Whether you're planning novels, coding sprints, or social content, plus it blends with tools like Slack and Zapier via automation. Translation, fewer app swaps, more genius mode focus. Bottom line, Notion AI isn't just an upgrade, it's a productivity revolution. Whether you're a dev, creator, or team lead, this tool slashes busy work and amplifies impact. Got questions? Drop them below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to Pacey AI for your daily AI power-ups. Hit the bell to never miss a vid. Until tomorrow, stay curious and automate on.